In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a tab in Google Chrome. This quick tip is perfect for those moments when a website starts playing audio unexpectedly and you want to silence just that tab without affecting the rest of your computer's sound. Start by opening Google Chrome and heading to Google. In the same window, click in the address bar at the top. You're going to open Chrome's experimental settings page, known as Flags. Type Chrome/Flags and press Enter. This page hosts optional features that aren't part of the standard settings yet. Don't worry, we'll touch only the one we need. At the top of the Flags page, you'll see a search box. Type Tab Audio Muting UI Control. This narrows the list to the feature that allows you to mute a tab by clicking its speaker icon right on the tab itself. When you see that feature appear, look to the right for the drop-down menu. Click it and choose Enabled. This tells Chrome you want that click-to-mute control turned on. After enabling it, you'll notice a prompt to relaunch the browser. Click Relaunch in the lower right corner. Chrome will close and reopen to apply the change. Your open tabs should come back automatically, but as a best practice, make sure you've saved any work beforehand, just in case a page needs to reload. Once Chrome relaunches, the feature is ready. Now, when a tab is playing audio, you'll see a small speaker icon appear on that tab. The icon only shows up when the tab is actually producing sound, so if you don't see it immediately, start a short video or audio clip in that tab to trigger it. This is a helpful visual cue because it lets you quickly identify which tab is making noise, even if you have many tabs open. To mute the tab, simply click the speaker icon directly on the tab. The audio from that tab will stop, while everything else in your browser and on your computer continues as normal. This gives you precise control, so you can keep background music or a call running in one tab while silencing an auto-playing video in another. That's all there is to it. You enabled the Tab Audio Muting UI control on the Flags page, relaunched Chrome to apply it, and now you can mute any noisy tab by clicking its speaker icon. If the option doesn't appear in your browser, it may already be enabled by default or managed by your version of Chrome. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more focused browsing experience.